Hi eBay buyers. Welcome to this auction. This is for a Nakajima AE-710. Nakajima is made in Japan. These are still being made today and still being purchased today. Very popular. There are types of industry that still use typewriters, but this is more than a typewriter. This is a word processor with memory. Law offices love these things because they can pull out one of the forms that they use, maybe to file a lawsuit or a divorce or a lien, and it's automatically set and ready to go, and it just prompts you to put in the names and addresses and case numbers, that sort of thing, and then it churns out a beautifully typed form document. These are used in all kinds of industry. You can buy this today new for $400. This one is pre-owned, but it is in great shape and it was well taken care of. So we're starting this today with a low starting price and to buy it now. So feel free to click on it and buy it now before somebody else grabs it before you get it. We're going to have this priced at about an average pricing. You can see that that everything is working on this. In fact, I just typed this a few seconds ago. So all the typing is working and everything else. So, you know, bid high, bid often. If you have any questions, make sure you ask.